Sound. Sound is something which vibrates and sends waves of energy into ears. How it travels? Sound is a vibration travel through the air or another medium to the ear, that is solid, liquid or gas form. While the vibration is stronger, the sound will be louder. So, sound changes depending on how fast or slow an object vibrates to make sound waves. We'll see how sound is produced. Amy is a guitarist. Linda is a friend of Amy. She learns playing guitar from Amy. Now, we'll see the conversation of these both friends.
Hi Ami. Hey Ami, what happens when you pluck the strings of the guitar?
We hear a sound.
Ami, let us try to find out what is sound and how is it produced?
Yeah, sure. When a string of a guitar is plucked, it moves from one side to another in a back and forth motion. When the string moves to any one side, the surrounding air particles also shift to one side, and when the string moves to the other side, the surrounding air particles shift in the same way. Continuously moving strings of a guitar shift the air particles in their respective direction. So the vibration of a guitar string set the surrounding air particles into vibration, and this produces sound. As the vibration of the guitar strings come to a stop, the surrounding air particles also stop vibrating and we cannot hear any more sound being produced.
Oh, thank you Ami. Now I understood how sound is produced.
With few examples, we'll see how sound is very important part of our life. Example 1. We wake up in the morning by hearing alarm sound. Example 2. Sound helps us to communicate with each other while we talk and express ourselves by using sound.
Hi Ami.
Example 3. A dog barks. Let us know that someone is coming. Example 4. The chirping of birds sound in the morning is a sign to wake up in the morning. All the above things shows how sound is useful and important in our life.
Like, share, comment, and for more videos subscribe Kids channel. Bye bye.